We AFK a little bit here because I need to do homework and I do all. So you know that, right? I do slashy that every day. Yeah, so like this.
你仲係唔開燈咁玩？
媽媽睇下，你睇個呢度板，媽媽睇衝得幾快，你睇下。已經有人 diamonds 嘅 diamonds。Okay, bye bye guys. I will AFK a little bit here.佢有個硬殼啊 ，and guys, should I bought this base and I already bought the one Rubik's for this I already bought one Rubik's for one string. So should I buy this? I'm gonna pour the 16 Rubik's string, but left me please. Let's spin this. Oh no, that's like 1%. You know how many times I spin? Let me tell you. I spent, I want to talk, I spent 31 times and I still cannot get it. I didn't record it because I'm doing homework that time and yeah, you know that. We don't need this. 點解啊？
温少少你識㗎，以前温過㗎。
温冇錯，温跟人家使叉電，叉電使唔使熄咗機啊？
唔使。
我叉電咪雞。
早啲食完去公園啦。
呢度冇 show 㗎，應該19蚊，佢話低於嘛嚇。
我哋温少少。
咁我咪冇得叉咯。
我哋温少少，跟住食嘢，跟住落公園。
我冇得叉啊，媽媽。
唔係啊，你房有得叉。
哦，嚇死人！你開咗個電話啊？我開咗個 draw 嘢先。
問你 make a wish 個 wish 點串啊？温少少唔温啊？